Come close as I take on the challenge of healing my gut by trying out these 5 anti-inflammatory foods for a week. Our gut health plays a vital role in our overall well being, and consuming anti inflammatory foods can be a game changer in maintaining a healthy gut. Bloating, discomfort, and inflammation are common gut health issues that many people struggle with, often leading to feelings of frustration and desperation. These problems can be debilitating, affecting not only our physical health, but also our mental well being. Gut health issues can be triggered by a variety of factors, including poor diet, stress, and certain medications. Many people try to manage these problems with over the counter medications or other quick fixes, but these solutions often provide only temporary relief. Chronic gut health issues can have long term consequences if left unaddressed, making it essential to find a more sustainable solution. Inflammation in the gut can lead to a range of problems, from mild discomfort to life threatening conditions. The good news is that incorporating anti inflammatory foods into our diet can help to reduce inflammation and promote healing. Foods such as turmeric, ginger, and fatty fish have potent anti inflammatory properties that can help to soothe the gut and reduce inflammation. Fatty fish, in particular, is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and promote gut health. Other foods like green leafy vegetables and berries are rich in antioxidants, which help to protect the gut from damage caused by free radicals. Turmeric contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Ginger has natural anti-inflammatory properties that can help to reduce nausea and discomfort. Green tea is another anti-inflammatory food that can help to reduce inflammation and promote gut health, thanks to its high levels of antioxidants. There are many inspiring stories of people who have successfully healed their gut by incorporating these anti-inflammatory foods into their diet. For example, one study found that people who consumed a diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants experienced significant reductions in inflammation and improvements in gut health. Another study found that curcumin, a compound found in turmeric, was able to reduce symptoms of bloating and discomfort in people with irritable bowel syndrome. Statistics also show that incorporating anti-inflammatory foods into our diet can have a significant impact on our overall health and well-being. Incorporating these foods into our diet can be simple and delicious and can have a significant impact on our gut health. Join me next time as I share more gut health tips, and don't forget to comment below with your favorite anti-inflammatory foods.